Welcome back again to Apache Kafka series. So in the previous video, we have formatted the logs of our brokers and controllers. We also have changed all our configuration files, the server.properties, and we generated our UUID, then format the log directories. Then we are now ready for to start the servers or to start the brokers and controllers, and then we will see them communicate with each other, and we will be able to create topic and send messages. So let's start with our first instance. Previously, I have also created a video in which you can create a script. With that script, your brokers or your zookeepers, as of then, can be started automatically when you restart your node or when you restart your VM instance. Kafka brokers and your zookeepers will all be started automatically. So if you want to, you want such kind of features, I think you can go back and watch my previous videos on that. And in this video, we are just going to run the servers or run the brokers on the console, because we are just doing it for testing purpose on the console, and you will see the logs and everything. Then we will shut down the servers later, so delete the instances. So for that reason, please, if you want the script, you can watch the previous video for that. Now let's go ahead and start our server. We are now in the Kafka root directory, the bin, and then we have the Kafka server starts, right? Then you also have to give the config. Previously, it's the same thing. You have to give server.properties. But now, because we are using KRaft, we are going to use the KRaft server properties. So mind you, please take note of this. You are given the KRaft server properties that we have configured. So let's copy this line, because we are going to execute the same line on the rest of the node. So let's start this first instance, and we'll go ahead and also start our second instance. And then we will also go ahead and start our third instance. Okay. So now all the instances are starting. You see the ID of this, connection to node 3. You see this one also, node ID 1, also Kafka server started. And also this, see Kafka server started. Good. So now all our 3 KRaft controllers and brokers have started and they are running. So I have also opened another 3 shells for all the instances, the third instance, the second, and the first. I want us to use this. Let's say, for example, now let's check that. Do we have any topic currently? We can check that, I think, using the Kafka list command. Topic Kafka list command. I will just copy and paste it. So this command, we can use it to check. Okay, sorry, I have to go to the root directory of Kafka. Yeah, then I execute this command. Let's see, do we have any topic? We don't have. You see, now it's empty. Also, the same thing. Let me go to var-lib Kafka, so that I don't have to rush cd. Okay, sorry. Lib Kafka. Yes. Oh, okay. So now we don't have any topic. Now we are going to use again the topics command to create our first topic. Let's give it like a KRaft event. So now I want to use maybe any node. Yeah, I have 3 instances. So let me use the third node actually to just create the topic. And sorry, I think there is a mistake, right? Yeah, I have the commands already in order to save time. I have typed the commands already. So we have the command here. I'm just giving the still topic, create topic, Kafka event, bootstrap servers. I say 0, 1, 2, 3. I set replication factor to 3 and then the partition to 3. So I press enter. The topic should be created now. Good. So created topic, KRaft event. Now if we go back here and where the first time and execute this command again, then we should see that topic created. Good. You see now we have our KRaft event topic. So also one of the things we can do is to try and listen or maybe describe. We create the topic in our third instance. We check if the topic exists in our first instance. And now let's use our second instance to describe the topic. So I'm using the describe command, and you can see our topic. We have 3 partitions, 0, 1, 2, and then we have the leaders, 1, 2, 3, and we have the replications and the in-sync replicas. So everything is okay, and it's working as expected. So let's go ahead also and listen to from our topic, or produce and listen. So for production, let me listen to, let me go to node 3 and listen from there. So I will produce from node 3, and I will also consume. I will start a consumer from the third node or from the second node. I can start it from anywhere. Let's say first node. I will have a consumer here. Then I have the consumer. The consumer is listening. So now we can go to the third node and just say, okay, let's type a message. The KRaft topic is working as expected, right? Yeah. So let's send the message. I send the message, and I should see my consumer receive the message. Yeah, voila, you see, the consumer received the message. So that's what brought us actually to the end of this video, to the topic of KRaft and how to create a KRaft cluster. And with this, you can either create your KRaft cluster locally, or you can create it on your server. And following these steps, everything should work as expected. So, but if you tried it and you still have some problems, or you face some issues, you can ask questions, you can write in the comments. I would be glad to help you on this. So until I look into another topic that I will share with you, still, if you have maybe recommendations or suggestions on this, you can write in the comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next upcoming videos.